How to turn off triple click on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Scroll down to the General section and go to Accessibility shortcut. Over here, go to the click the side button for section. Tap on the background sounds again to turn it off. As you can see, you have now successfully turned off the accessibility shortcut. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily turn off triple click on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.